Good afternoon, besties. I hope you guys are having a good day today. Currently, I'm at my school's library and I booked a little study room because we are going to do some homework and study for one of my finals that is this week. I have weeks of school and my biology final is this week, and I have a bunch of film homework and my final for my biology lecture next week, which I will be studying for later on this week. But today we're just going to focus on all of my film homework that I need to catch up on. So I have this room for about 2 hours and it's already been a couple of minutes. I'm settling in. We're gonna get this done. I have my laptop and these rooms are not soundproof, so I am trying to whisper a tiny bit, so I'm so sorry about that. But we're gonna walk in, we're gonna do this chat. Like I said, I have my little laptop and we're gonna get to it. I'm gonna put on my headphones. Let's do this. I left the library and I did get a few things done. I turned some things in, which was thumbs up for me because honestly I've been so stressed. I'm in the last 2 weeks of school and you guys know what that means. It is grind time. It is time to lock in. But I got really hungry, so now I'm gonna grab some food before I go to work. I go to work in about an hour, so I have a little bit of time to go grab something. I'm really excited because after work, me and my sisters are gonna go on a little sister date. We're gonna go see Kiki's Delivery Service. If you guys didn't know, that is one of my favorite films. Honestly, I love all the Studio Ghibli films. We're gonna go see the sub version, which means it is in Japanese and they have English subtitles. So I'm gonna go grab some food. I'm really excited. I'm also stressed but excited that school is almost over. I have so much studying to do. I had an extra credit quiz today for my biology lecture. I feel confident, honestly. Like, I was answering the questions and it was 10 questions, so you had a chance to get like 10 extra credit points, and fingers crossed I did well because those points go into my exam scores. So if I did good on that, then I'm like, okay, I won't feel that much pressure on the last exam. But other than that, it's been a long day, and it's gonna be even longer because I have to go to work. Also, this is the outfit I will show you guys outside. I literally just got this necklace not too long ago from En Route Jewelry. So cute. I love it. I have to do a little close-up for you guys. It's very like 90s. So cute. I'm back home from work and I really wanted Taco Bell, but honestly I was like, you know what, I have stuff to kind of make soft tacos at home, so that's what we're gonna do. I stopped at the store to grab a couple of things. I also stopped by my parents, so I'm gonna show you guys a little haul of everything. First of all, my grocery bag, a little Karopi bag from Baggu. It is the mini bag and you guys can see it is full and it holds everything from my shopping trip. So cute. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from my family's house because my sister had gone shopping and she gave me some fruit. So I got an apple and she gave me 2 peaches. Shout out to my sister. That was so sweet of her. I got a banana, and the purpose for stopping at my parents' house was to pick up a lime because the grocery store had 0 limes. So I grabbed one there. I got a little ginger ale. I got 2 yellow kiwis. I love these. And a Capri Sun. So now getting on with the actual grocery haul. I got some tortillas, some Mexican style cheese, sour cream, an avocado, iceberg lettuce, and just some ground beef so we can make some tacos, some soft tacos. My total at the grocery store was $18.88. So I'm gonna get into some comfy clothes, change out of this, and we're gonna start dinner. It's already 8:20, and we'll see if I can eat before 9. I just finished cooking dinner. We're gonna have a little taste test. Delicious. I officially have 1 week of school left. Next Wednesday is my last class. I am so excited. I'm so excited for the semester to finally be over and finally enjoy summer. I have my first final tomorrow for my biology lab. I will miss all of my group mates. We sit in 4s in that class, so everyone at my table, I will miss them, but I'm so ready and excited for that class to be just over with. Like I said, I have my final tomorrow. I still have to do my index card. We are allowed 3x5 one-sided index card as a memory aid, and the rest is just having to study today. I have so many things to do. I'm editing this vlog as we speak, and I don't know, I cannot believe it. We are in the last week of being a community college student. It has not hit me. Once I feel like I submit all of my assignments, I'll finally be like, yes, I'm done. I never have to think about this ever again, and just enjoy summer for a little bit before I start school in the fall. Besties, this is out. Let's go home. Hi besties. It is my last biology lab day. Today I have my first final. I am scared, but I'm also really proud of myself. I remember the first day of class feeling so terrified, like how was I gonna do? Was I even gonna make it? Was I gonna drop the class? And here we are on the last day. Class starts in about 5 minutes, I think. I'm gonna get going, but I quickly wanna show you guys my study card so you guys can see. We were only allowed one 3x5 one-sided card, so I wrote down everything. It's blank on this side. I feel like I'm prepared. Then again, who knows? But I've also always done pretty well on all of the other exams, so I feel pretty confident. Okay, wish me luck, guys. I'm so excited. It is the last day. I also want to quickly show you guys my cute little bag. Okay, let's go to class. I'm currently at work. This week, all of the students have been turning in all of their equipment. So now I'm gonna go through every single camera that we have and recheck it back in to make sure that none of it was missed. So I'm currently working on this stack right here.